Hello guys, my name is Arif and today I'm going to show you how to make a snake game on Scratch. So let's get started. So right now you can see this is the code for the snake. I'm just going to zoom out and show you. Okay, so this is the first row of code, the second row, and the third row. That's the code for the snake. Now I'm going to show you how I made the snake. So you make a green circle, put a black circle, and a white circle in there. Then now I'm going to show you what the snake eats. It's like a red thingy, you make it, and then you just bend it and make a white thing inside. And I made two, you can just make one. And I also put a dragon for the snake to eat. It's a little bit cringe though. So this is the code for the dragon, the code for the spirit 1, spirit 2. So I hope you liked my video. And this is the backdrop I used, the woods. It's the woods backdrop. And that's it for my video today. That's how you make a snake game on Scratch. If you like my video, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.